I want you to know that crying doesn't mean that you're weak. It actually means that you've been strong for so long, carrying what sometimes can feel like the weight of the world on your shoulders. And I want you to know that it is okay. It is safe for you to let go. If you look at a river, what does it do? It just simply flows. And just like that, you can allow yourself to cry. Become that river. Let your tears wash away all of the heaviness, the burdens, the pain, and let it cleanse you. Why would tears be something bad when the element of water is what washes us clean? Why would your tears be a bad thing when they're made out of the same stuff, just like the oceans of this planet? And I know most of you love beaches. And let me tell you, your tears are just as beautiful. You don't have to keep filling the glass until it overflows. You don't have to keep your tears until one day a tsunami breaks out from your eyes. You can allow yourself to just gently let go of what's bothering you. To allow yourself to feel everything. The good, the bad, the ugly is one of the bravest things you can do. So when you're ready, I hope you find the courage and the strength to simply let go and let the tears flow and wash you clean.